Hi everyone, welcome to this easy crochet tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a crochet square. So here I'm going to start with my slip knot. I'm going to poke yarn through the center there, pull it tight, and now I'm going to do a chain of slip stitches. You can make the chain however big you want based on how big of a square you want it to be. So now I have my chain. I'm going to start with a row of single crochets all the way across. You can use whatever stitch you like. You could use the double crochet, the triple crochet. All of those tutorial videos are in my channel. So here I'm going to just do the single crochet, going to poke the yarn through that first stitch, pull it through one, pull it through two, second stitch, pull it through one, pull it through two, next one, pull it through one, pull it through two, and continue that all the way across. So now I have a full row of single crochets. I'm going to just do one slip stitch there, and I'm going to flip the piece over. So now I'm ready to start on the second row with another row of single crochets. So I'm going to poke the hook through the first stitch, pull it through one, pull it through two, second stitch, pull it through one, pull it through two, find our third stitch there, poke it through, pull it through one, pull it through two, and you continue that all the way across to do a second row. Now you have two full rows of single crochet stitches, and you can continue to add rows so you can make your square as large as you want.